This Energizer LED headlamp Pro360 is a reliable and efficient lighting solution suitable for various activities. With a brightness of 360 lumens and a light distance of up to 85 meters, this headlamp provides exceptional illumination. Its lightweight and durable design, along with water resistance, ensure long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, this headlamp offers a runtime of up to 50 hours, making it a convenient choice for extended outdoor use. The headlamp's LED light source delivers a clear and bright beam, ideal for nighttime activities such as camping, hiking, or working in low-light conditions. The head mount style allows for hands-free operation, adding to its practicality. Overall, the Energizer LED Headlamp Pro360 is a top-quality product from a trusted brand, Energizer, known for its reliable and long-lasting battery solutions. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, DIY enthusiast, or simply need a dependable light source for